Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 10th day of June 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's the trade taken in the room today. So here we go. As usual, if you've been following us at all, we look for our strong candle indicators. The sellers have made a big move down, and then the buyers have come back and given us a massive strong candle right here. That's a lovely signal. The signal itself is this little triangle pointing upwards and green saying go ahead and trade towards the top of the screen, and that's what we're going to do. So we look for our targets. Again, another big moving day in the market. This next candle could be anywhere from 190 to 260 ticks long. For purposes of YouTube, we'll use a shorter ATM, and we'll just go for 20s, 50s, and 100. We'll de-risk the trade at 20, then we'll have 50 and 100 tick runners. And this is how it all went down in the room today. So we're going to buy. We use a market order, wait for the market to pull back a little bit, drop our trade on the body of the candle, wait to get picked up. First thing we're going to do is put our stop where it belongs. Hmm. Double retrace is never much fun, but we just have to go through the sweat, as they say. We're going to put another order up here just in case we get taken out, our first target gets taken out, and then it comes back and takes us out at break even. We'll put another order on. Now we just need to be patient. We can actually go ahead and speed this up, but it actually goes pretty quickly once it gets going. A bit of a retrace, last little gasps for the sellers. 20s are out now. The 50s are out as well. If this comes back and it takes us out of, well, it's not break even. We're 90 ticks ahead right now. We're at minus 18 on our last contract. We can only make money on this deal. Let's see if I need this extra contract. Nope, that's done. That trade took less than a minute and a half, less than 90 seconds to complete, and is worth 955 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 955 US dollars in less than 90 seconds, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. I would look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.